Hi guys, welcome to Gems and Jewels. Today I wanted to show you how I made some shoe wall art. Trying to get out some wall art that I think is cute. So trying to establish making some cute stuff for that. Anyways, if you're interested, please stay tuned and I will show you how I completed this. Pretty inexpensive too, by the way. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share should you enjoy this project. Thank you so much for your loyalty and hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it. So the first thing that I did is I went to Google and I typed in "life is short, buy the shoes." And out of clip art, I produced a saying and printed that off. And then I typed in high-heeled shoes. And once I found one that I liked, I printed that off and I cut them out, the little shoes that are going to go on the frame. But anyways, I took some rhinestones I had from a previous project and I just hot glued those in random places. Excuse me. And as I was doing this, I wasn't quite sure how I wanted this to look, where I was going to go with it. So the first thing I did was the rhinestones, and then I just kind of played with what I thought was cute. I found these cute little stickers, these little diamond gem stickers at the dollar store. So I stuck some of those, I believe on the O and just in random spots on my saying. At this point, I still didn't know what I wanted to do with the saying. So I took a piece of diamond wrap, just one roll, and I hot glued them on each side of my paper. And then I ended up taking larger diamonds and I glued one on the middle of each one of my rows of bling wrap. I decided to add more diamond gemstones to my words. And then I took bling wrap and I cut it even on each side and I just hot glued it to the frame. And I filled in under the by where the line is by the. I put diamonds in there too. And I decided it would be fun to use feathers in this. So I had some white feathers from a previous project and I glued 4 feathers on the top and 4 feathers on the bottom. And then I removed the gems that I originally put on there and I put on a larger gem on the top and then a larger gem in the middle on the bottom as well. And I thought it was more of a finished look and I liked that better. So now on to the shoes. So I cut out my little shoes and I wasn't sure where I wanted to place them, but I ended up putting them on each corner, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. And then I went and I used Elmer's glue and I took a little paintbrush and kind of smoothed in my glue. And I took silver glitter on 2 of my shoes and I took black glitter on 2 of my other shoes. And then I took a row of diamond wrap, placed them on the heel, and then I went around the outline of the shoe with my diamond wrap as well. At this point, I was still not sure how I wanted to complete this, so I decided to start working on my frame. And I took 2 rhinestones and put them on the side, and I took a small square mirror and I put it in the middle. And I did this on all sides except for the 2 sides, not the top, not the bottom, but the 2 sides. I decided to put 2 diamond gemstones after the mirror. And like I said, I was still trying to contemplate how could I decorate my shoes. I like the black glitter and I like the silver, but it just wasn't blingy enough for me. So when I was done with the frame, I decided I was going to decorate the shoes more, and I'm going to point out what I did with the shoes. So at this point, this is what my project looked like, and it was pretty boring to me. So again, I used the bling wrap instead of the white rose paper. Those are silver diamond confettis. Here you have the bling wrap, and then I put a rhinestone in the middle. These are diamond gems on top of the black glitter, and then the rhinestones. and then I use the little diamond stickers. And then down here is the silver diamond confettis, the rhinestone in the middle, and then the bling wrap for the outline. The bling wrap for the outline here, some diamonds, and then those little diamond jewels are the actual stickers that I had. And I thought that this really glammed it up and looked a lot better. I hope that you guys enjoyed this project. I had a lot of fun making it, and I really appreciate you tuning in and watching this project. Thank you so much for your time. As you can see, there's more diamonds. I used the smaller ones as well as the bigger ones and just kind of alternated along with my stickers, just making it slightly more interesting. Thank you so much for watching Gems and Jewels. You guys have a fabulous week. Next week, I'm going to come at you with a little more wall art. Have a great week, you guys. Bye.